guys, it's Sar, the Flippin Hippo. Thank you for joining us on our YouTube channel at Flippin Hippos. If George wasn't a clue, today we're going to do a plushie haul video. I'm just going to show you some of the friends I found last weekend and brought home that will be staying with me until they find their new forever home. I went to a church rummage sale Saturday. It was one of the first ones we went to, and they had a sign out that said if you bought one plushie, you got one free. So of course I brought 4 new friends home. Curious George was one of them. He's pretty big. He's a Macy's special, and he comes with a book. It's Curious George in the Big City. Those of you that are familiar with George or read his books, it is the full story. It's just condensed into this little tiny hardback for George to carry around. I really like him. Can you tell? He's so cute and soft. But yeah, Curious George. I did get 4, like I said, from that church sale, and since they were buy one get one free, I paid $3 for all 4. So this was another one of them that I got from there. Look how super cool this Tweety Bird is. But if you don't hold him by his head, he pops. So he's like top heavy. He's got a big head. He is an official Looney Tunes plush. Da-na-na. I'm really excited about him. Curious George is probably my favorite plush I found this weekend. I just don't think he's going to be the biggest money maker, but he's still my favorite because he's so cute. Okay. The other 2 I got from the church sale are buried on the bottom here, so we'll work our way down to them. I also got this at a church sale, a different one. I did pay up for this. I paid $5. It is an official Disney store. It still has the plastic protector on the hang tag. So it is, oh my gosh, you guys, wait till you see this. I should have had it ready, right? Okay, so this is a top hat with Mickey Mouse, and it says Happy 2000. And out of the hat comes an old man Goofy and a mother Donald Duck. I guess it's supposed to be like Father Time, and it's a baby. It's not a mom. It's a baby for the new year. So it's the baby for the new year and Father Time. They come out of this hat. Okay, next, I have already sold one of these. This is Figment, the purple dragon. He is an official Disney Parks plush. Can you see that? Disney World, Disneyland. And the last one I think went for like 15, maybe 16, but it went like after it was up for 3 days. So I don't know if the last one flipped so quickly because he's sought after, or it was just a fluke. Maybe I put up a Figment when somebody was looking for a Figment. But the last one, like I said, went for like 15 or 16 in just a couple of days. This guy came from a estate sale, and he was in a bucket of plush that were marked for 50 cents. This guy came from Goodwill. It's Grumpy Cat. Oh my gosh, you guys. There was a time in my life when I was Grumpy Cat obsessed. I had a Pinterest board that was nothing but Grumpy Cat because I was a nerd. It has writing on the tag, but that's okay. It is official Grumpy Cat merchandise. And he's got the little Santa hat. Actually, Grumpy Cat is actually a she. If you didn't know that. I still refer to it as he because most people do. 99 cents. This one came also from the Goodwill. 99 cents. This is just a Gans, and it does not have its code. We do pretty well with the Gans Webkins like this. They go for a lot more money, and they go quicker if they have their code. But even without their code, they're a pretty decent brand of plush to flip. This is one of those like hairy, fuzzy ones. And I like pandas. If this one doesn't sell quickly, I might keep it. Here's another Goodwill find. 99 cents. Da-da-da-da-da. Pump. It's Betty Boop. She's even got a little garter. And she has crinoline under her dress. And little earrings. Betty Boop is a bolo. Anything you ever find of Betty Boop, whether it's a sweatshirt, a figurine, a stuffed animal, get it. Get it. For shizzle. Because, I mean, I have sold so much Betty Boop stuff for so much money. And people just give it away. 99 cents. Just an official Disney. Just a little Mickey Mouse. But for 99 cents, sure thing. This guy is a Build-A-Bear. Now, the thing with the Build-A-Bears is the Build-A-Bear plush that are your more recognizable characters, or your pop culture characters, they're going to go for a lot more money. The Build-A-Bears that come with clothing or little outfits, they're going to go for more money. This is just a plain dog, so he won't go for as much. But he was only 99 cents, and I'm probably going to get like 15 or 16 for him, which is where I'll start asking. Except, I found this one as well. He was also 99 cents. Depth perception. Because I know that these Build-A-Bears that are just the plain dogs are going to be less. I might sell these two in a lot. See if I can't get rid of them in Q4 together. Maybe someone will buy them as a gift for somebody. And if I did that, I'd have to look up like them up. I'd probably do like 40 free ship. And that sounds high, but that is probably where I would start, considering that I would probably do 16 to 20 individually. So we'll see. I don't know if I want to. I probably do want to lot them up. I feel like in Q4 that would work better. And then if they don't sell, then I can take them apart and sell them individually. This is a Boyds bear, and I got them for 99 cents. Again, with the Boyds bears, you guys might have seen the one that I showed in my What Sold video this week. It was 16. It went for 16. It was a mom bear and her baby. Things like that are going to go for more. They were dressed up. They were cute. They had a theme. This is just a plain bear, but he's jointed. And I just sold a jointed one probably 2 weeks ago for a pretty good amount of money. So I did pick him up for 99 cents. Woo, these guys are ginormous. Ginormous giraffe. Look at his face. Look at his face. He is so cute. I can't stand it. Like when he wiggles, his ears flop around. This is the cutest giraffe ever. Ever, ever, ever. I paid $1.99 for this giraffe for two reasons. His size and the brand. Classic toy company, y'all. Telling you. He had a friend with him, too. This little dog. Look at his face. He's pretty ginormous as well. I also paid $1.99 for him. I checked them over. Pretty good. He's Classic Toy Company. I checked them over pretty good at the store. They seem to be okay. This one might need some lint rolling. I might find flaws once I get them under the photography lights. But for their size and being Classic Toy Company, I was totes okay with getting them both for $4 total. And I'm almost through the haul. This is probably the fastest haul I've ever done and the shortest video I've ever done, which is good. So, these are the last two from the other rummage sale that I got the for $3. So I got George, and I got Tweety, and I got Olaf. Now, Olaf here is supposed to be doing something. He's got a cane and a hat. I haven't tested him yet. I brought all the plush in Sunday night and set them right here on this chair next to me in preparation for a haul video that I'm just now getting around to Wednesday night. Well, I'm having a battle here. In case you're wondering what I'm doing, he does open and he has a battery case in him, so I do need to take him and test him, put some batteries in him and see if he still works. But that is why I picked him up, because like I said, it was buy one get one free, so $3 for 4 plush. If he doesn't work and I have to sell him just as a plush, I didn't really pay much for him. And if he works, even all the better. So here's the Coupe DeGraw, the money maker. This is my money maker that I got this weekend. Da-na-na-na-na. His ears are posable. He's huge. He's got big feet. No, he's just ginormous. Now he has damage, but for what he is, I got him anyway. So there's his teeth. He needs some dental. Bugs Bunny needs to go to the dentist to get some dental work done. Now I'll just put that in the photos and disclose it. And then he has a little bit of damage on his ear hair. Now these Bugs Bunnies like this, they can go for $50 to $100, depending on the time of year and what platform you're on, and if there's a race to the bottom. But people do sell these giant Bugs Bunnies. He's vintage. He's from 1992 for up to $100. Now mine has damage, so I'm going to have to check out the comps and kind of see, like, I'll measure mine and then take into account that he's got a couple spots of damage and determine what I'm going to sell mine for. But, I mean, worst case, he's probably going to be $50. And that's where I'll start. Of course, I always have best offer and I run sales. I would like to reiterate, because I'm sure you guys hear me say this all the time. I price my plush high. I don't race to the bottom on my plush. I am patient. I can wait for that slow dime because I want what I know they're worth. Well, that's all the plush, guys. So I may have actually just made the shortest video I have ever made. The quickest haul. I didn't get a lot of plush, but I was really happy with the ones I got. As you can see, I found some really recognizable characters. I found some things that are going to be worth some money. Let me know down below what you think. Do me a favor, smash that like button. If you haven't already and you would like to, please subscribe to our channel and help us feed a hungry hippo. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Until next time, you guys have a good night.